We are in Trabzon, visiting the beautiful Black Sea coast city. It's our hometown from my husband's side. I really love this city, so let's begin. As our relatives suggested, we decided to go to the center using public transportation. The people of Trabzon are very fanatic in the case of their football team. They even say the most fanatic women are also in Trabzon.
Yöresel peynir kullanıyoruz. Kaşarla beraber karışık kullanıyoruz.
Yöresel hangisi?
Bizim bu yörede oldu beyaz peynir, taze peynir.
Ha, taze peynir. Şey değil, telli peynir, minzi
Yok.
falan da değil.
Peynir değil, normal peynir.
Ne kadar incir? 40.
Ford evet abi. Şu 25 lira abla bu 40 lira.
İncir bu sene rekor kırarmış.
Ha.
Çok yok yere dondu.
YouTube kanalı mı var?
Ama yok yani.
We are in the Trabzon Museum. If you want to know about the culture, the food, the history of Trabzon, this is the place. Actually, I'm not sure if they have it in English, but it's so beautiful. visit the Beton Helva now. It's my favorite place to eat ice cream. It's very famous here. Has a helva, a kind of dessert made with tahini. And also the ice cream is very famous. So let's go in. It has only two types, vanilla and cocoa powder ice cream, but both are very intense and flavorful. You can either get it with cone or inside a wafer like a sandwich. We are crossing through the Zanos Pasha Bridge. We are in Ayasofya Mosque in Trabzon. Across the street of Ayasofya Museum, we saw a silver shop. It is just the perfect place for me since I love everything about silver. They have lots of kinds of jewelry, but the one I like most is the classic Trabzon hasırı. I also own and wear it in the videos. They are made by hand and very traditional, and lots of women in Trabzon earns money with it. Back to the city center, I have one more place to show you. But before that, let's have a one dose of love. And this is the gold version of Trabzon hasırı. Let's ask to the ladies, which one would you prefer, gold or silver? So finally, here is the place I first bought my famous copper pens. They sell the copper here by weight usually, so you can check how much is 1 kilogram. If it's more heavy, it's more expensive and more durable. And also this tray, for example, the finished details are made by machine, and this one is made by hand. So that would be another thing to check when you are buying. It was one of the hottest and humid day in Trabzon, and we walked about 1800 steps. Even though because of the bad planning, we had to come all the way back where we begin. I didn't want to leave the city center without showing you the copper pens place. My friends, this is the place I bought my copper pens, the first ones.